Estimation of halogens. Carious method. There are several methods for the estimation of halogens in organic compounds. Among these methods, Carious method is an important method. Carious method. This method is largely used for the estimation of halogens in organic compounds. Principle. Carious method is based on the fact that the halogen present in an organic compound can be quantitatively converted into corresponding silver halide by heating the compound with fuming nitric acid in the presence of silver nitrate crystals. The percentage of halogen can be calculated from the mass of the silver halide thus obtained. The organic compound containing the halogen reacts with the silver nitrate and in presence of fuming nitric acid and forms silver halide. This is collected and weighed, and from this we can calculate the amount of halogen present in the compound. Apparatus used and the procedure. The estimation of halogens by this method is carried out in a stout hard glass tube known as Carious tube. That is the tube shown inside. This is the Carious tube. About 2.5 Carious tube. About 5 ml of fuming nitric acid and about 2.5 grams of pure silver nitrate crystals. These are the fuming nitric acid and silver nitrate crystals are placed in the tube. A small weighing tube containing an accurately weighed quantity about 0.2 to 0.3 grams of an organic substance is slipped into the Carious tube and the open end of the tube is sealed off. That means this is the weighing bottle in which the weighed amount of organic substance is slipped into it. After that, this Carious tube is sealed. And open end of the tube is sealed off. The tube is introduced into the iron jacket of a bomb furnace. The furnace is heated by the burners. After that, this is the furnace. This square diagram, that outline is shown that it is completely the furnace. The furnace is heated by the burners. After heating it for about 6 hours, the tube is allowed to cool. The sealed end of the tube is now cut off and the contents are transferred into a beaker. The precipitate of silver halide is filtered, washed, dried and weighed.